The exit I need is probably the exit in need. It's closed. Hey!
Holy cow.
The roof was falling?
Yeah.
That's what... Good thing the machine's not here. They wouldn't like me walking through that. I'd play through a busted roof just to get some toys. They filled it. Vendor was here yesterday.
You were here yesterday?
Yeah, when it was snowing and it wasn't this filled, it was empty. I'll meet you at the P's. I know where to go if nobody else is. Just by experience. I just got a quarter from change. Oh, that scared me.
I'm scared of you today. Excuse me.
I still have over $1. Well, I did. For my next trip, I'm going to get 3 20s. So 10, 10, 10, or that's 20, huh? It'll be 3 for Santa, 3 for Trick or Treat, 3 for my vending, which ultimately goes to Trick or Treat. That's why this roll is taking longer to empty. Traffic is so busy right here because the other side, the roof is collapsing, so it's closed.
Too late.
Well, food's gonna be cold now. If it doesn't work, then fine, but pray that it does. I didn't even think that this... I don't know why I didn't think. When Robbie went here by himself, I didn't even think. Okay, is there gonna be a ball? Prize isn't even there. Nah, scared me. Look, it's...
I was like, when you only got one.